This is a pulley, as it sees. Pulley तो सबको मालूम है. This is pulley. Again used multiple uses for it. Rescue करने के लिए या फिर whatever. These are known as QDs. QDs, there are two snaps. Okay, यहाँ पे इसको ये नहीं रहता, लॉक नहीं रहता इसमें. Can you see that? इसमें लॉक नहीं रहता. It's directly open. So these QDs are quick draws. So when we climb, जब कोई route है जो mark किया है, already bolted है, so we use this kind of, we put it into bolt, then we pass our rope through this, and we move on climbing. तो अगर fall होते तो it will get arrested in this itself. It's like that. Again, you will know all these terms. I'm just introducing you to the equipments what I use. Later on, you will come to know कि ये कहाँ कहाँ कैसे कैसे use होता है. That's in Jumar, or you can call it as ascender. एक descender देखा हम लोग ने नीचे उतरने के लिए. तो अगर climbing नहीं है, suppose, and you want to climb on the rope, so this is used. This is known as Jumar. तो ये कैसा रहता है? ये it works in one direction itself. सिर्फ ऊपर जाता है, ये नीचे नहीं आता. नीचे आते समय लॉक हो जाता है. So again it is anchored to you, so you can just move up on the rope. ठीक है? Again इसका भी आपको you will be trained to use this also. All these equipments on this over the period of time on these 4 sessions or 5 sessions what are there. Jumar or ascender. Okay, one more thing which I would like to add is the chalk bag. Many of us sweat, our hand sweats while writing. काम करते समय sweat आता है because many of us are in habit of spending most of the time in offices in ACs. So usually when we come out, you sweat. So if you sweat on rock, that's you're risking your life, right? So we use this kind of powder, that is magnesium carbonate, which is harmless. Okay, this powder is very dry type powder and it can be, it's white in color of course. Okay, और जब भी अगर sweat आता है, route पे अगर थोड़ा सा पसीना है, तो you use it, and again you can use it as for route marking. अगर कोई climb करे तो route अपने mark हो जाता है, then you have to follow that route. It sounds easy but it isn't. Okay, again these are some other hardware which are used on the rock. अभी ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो सब छोटा छोटा है, we can go up and we can give delay and all. But when you are going into the mountains and you are climbing pinnacles, तभी यहाँ पे कुछ routes open नहीं रहेंगे. So you will use this kind of pitons. These are known as pitons, rock pitons. Okay, जैसे ice climbing के लिए ice pitons use होता है, yeah, these are rock pitons. You have to hammer them in some slots, gaps, cracks, and they should hold your weight again. So you have to on specific levels you have to put those pitons according to the cracks available. अब ये इसका जो description है, again this all pitons are different types of pitons हैं, तो ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा नहीं because you will get confused. ये नाम याद रखने का नहीं हम लोग यहाँ पे, एग्जाम नहीं देना है. And again ऊपर जाने के बाद you have to take your colleagues up, your participants, जो भी है आपका टीम को ऊपर लेना. तो this is a peg, which you hammer inside. जो भी ऊपर जहाँ पे रहेगा आप लोग हैमर करोगे, जब भी आप ऊपर जाओगे तो you can see a peg. Again ऊपर एक पेग लगा के रखा है हम लोग ने permanently. So this is a kind of peg, so which is used to anchor yourself and again to give delay to your other team members. So this is the basic introduction to the rocks. And जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ route open है, bolts किया हुआ है, you can use this QDs to put into the bolts and all. So as we move on to our rock climbing section, you can see one of the bolt already put in there. So these are kind of bolts. तो ये हम लोग rock में डालते हैं. कैसे डालते हैं? We have to put a drill first, hammer करना है उसको, ठीक है. उसके बाद there's a wedge यहाँ पे, हर एक bolt में ना यहाँ पे crack, एक छोटा सा cut है, so you can pass it on, so everybody can see that cut in that bolt. तो एक वेज रहता है जो हम लोग डालते हैं अंदर इसके अंदर. दिस इज अ स्मॉल वेज. तो जैसे ही रॉक सरफेस अंदर होल के अंदर जब भी रॉक सरफेस आता है तो वेज विल स्टार्ट पुशिंग इनसाइड, तो क्रैक बड़ा हो जाएगा एंड दैट होल विल सेल्फ अरेस्ट इटसेल्फ इनटू द रॉक. तो अगेन दिस इज अगेन अ इंडियन प्रोडक्ट एंड अ वेरी रिलायबल प्रोडक्ट ओवर टेस्टेड इन ऑल Sahyadris. So you will be getting chances to handle all the equipments what we have. So we'll make 2 teams first, ठीक है, so that क्योंकि एक ही जन सबको explain करेगा तो it's no fun. We'll go through some knots, some basics of rock climbing and everything. So we'll make 2 teams, randomly we'll make 2 teams. This is a brush, toothbrush. इसका क्या काम है? It's just to clean rock. Okay, अगर कोई होल ज़्यादा वेट हो गया या फिर मिट्टी है तो just clean it up, put it in your chalk bag. Every chalk bag has an attachment to put these brushes. This is a wire brush again to clean rock, because rock साफ रहना चाहिए. तो अगर ज़्यादा कचरा रहेगा तो तुम लोग चढ़ नहीं पाओगे. कुछ मिट्टी है तो you have to clean it up and you have to use it, right? So these are very common, maybe as an Indian product. Tried and tested in Sahyadri since years.
टूथब्रश तो घर पे भी टेस्ट होता है.
हाँ पहले हम लोग पहले इधर ही ट्राई करते हैं फिर रॉक पे आते हैं. If it can clean our teeth then definitely it can clean rocks. I think we are done with the introduction of the equipment. Rucksack तो सबको पता है. Okay, so this time those who are in floaters कौन है?